take a dusha and prepare your will. Tell, my day is ended. And now you are in one other world. Don't bring your work home. That's what I said. If your day was busy, you met so many people and all those things, mentally and physically you have to wash yourself. So go home, take a nice shower, and then after that, tell to yourself, now it's my time. Now I am back home. So mentally, physically, you just turn off from your outer world. It's more than enough. This is a special technique and simple technique. Do you want a difficult technique? Yeah, then don't make things difficult. Sit at your altar. That's what I said. Open your heart. It's very important. That's your world. There you are, really what you are. Take some time. Calm down before you are going to bed. Don't think too much. Don't think too much about the world. Don't think about the day which you have lived already. Forget, you are back home. You closed the door, which means there is no entry for the outside people, for outside world, isn't it? So prepare yourself mentally. It will not come with one day, but do every day the same thing. If you can prepare your will like that. Now it's my world. Now I am home. Now I do what I want to do it. Everything I do it slowly, slowly, slowly. So the first thing what I do, I go home, I take a shower. I change my clothes. And from now onwards, before I go to bed, I will do everything very calmly, slowly. Slow down, slow down, slow down. That's very important. So for that I am telling, sit at your altar. There the process begins. Open your heart, make your practices, and then go to bed. Quite simple it is for a yogi. No big things required to do. Don't eat heavy in the evenings. That's also what I said. And your aura, yes, it is your responsibility. For that I said, throughout the day, please make sure whom you are meeting, what kind of things you are doing, in what kind of places you are. It is up to your consciousness. You handle your day with your consciousness. So when you are sure about the place, about the person, about the things, what you are doing it, then you are protected. Then you are safe. You no need to worry about your aura.